Hey everyone! If you're getting the Overwatch 2 game server connection failed error and can't log into the game, don't worry. I'll explain exactly what's causing this problem and what you need to do to fix it. Make sure you watch this video till the end because this issue is confusing a lot of Overwatch 2 players right now. And if you're new here, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and helpful gaming fixes. First, let's understand why this error is happening. If you're seeing this problem today, take a look at the activity graph on your screen. You'll notice a big spike in reports, which means a large number of Overwatch 2 players are experiencing the same connection issue at the same time. This clearly shows that the problem is not coming from your device, your internet connection, or your account. The real reason behind the game server connection failed error is that Overwatch 2 servers are currently down, overloaded, or undergoing maintenance. When this happens, the game can't connect you to Blizzard servers. Now let's talk about what you should do next. Since this is a server-side issue, there's nothing you need to change on your PC, console, or network settings. Blizzard is already aware of the problem and working to restore the servers. All you need to do is wait patiently. In most cases, the issue is resolved within a few minutes, but sometimes it can take up to an hour depending on the server load. Once the servers are back online, the error will disappear automatically, and you'll be able to log in normally. And that's it. I hope this video helped you understand why you're seeing the Overwatch 2 game server connection failed error and what to do next. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more quick and helpful gaming fixes.